Units 9, finally. I was looking at badges recently. Let's go. Point E has positive x coordinates. It's going to be 1 or 4. Was that the question? It could be on the x-axis, that is true. ABCD is graphed in the coordinate plane. The vertices of the rectangles are 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 5. What's the perimeter? Okay. So if we graph this, we have 2, 3, and 4, 3. So that's a difference of 2, a delta of 2. And then the other side is 4, 3, 4, 5. That's a delta of 8. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? So we have 2 times 2 plus 8 times 2. Well, it's going to take times 2 because there's 4 sides. 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 units. There we go. Rectangle ABCD is graphed in the coordinate plane. The following are the vertices. Given these conditions, what is the length of side BC of the rectangle? 5, 5, 7, 5, 7, 1, 5, negative 1. So we have a delta of 2. Then we have negative 6, or we have positive 6. What size of B to C? Oh, that's what it wants. What was the side BC? That's 6. Yeah, I trust that. In Switzerland. What was the trip on the second day? 1, 2. Negative 4 degrees Celsius. Yeah, negative 4. Negative 4. What's the coordinates of point D? Okay, so A is going to be 4, negative 7. 4, so that x-axis has to be 4. And then the other axis has to be negative 3. Because this is negative 3, this must be negative 3. What's the perimeter? So we have 2 to 5, which is a delta of 3. Then negative 6 to negative 4, that's a delta of 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 3, 4. Okay, so that's an area of 12, or a perimeter of 3 times 2, that's 6, plus 4 times 2, that's 8. So we have 6 plus 8, which is 14. There we go. The high and low of temperature for 6 days in Cloud City are plotted. The x-axis represents the daily number, and the y-axis represents the degrees Celsius. What's the warmest temperature? Day 1. Warmest high temperature. That'd be 24 degrees Celsius. There you go. Where could E be located? Point E, x and y coordinates have the same sign. So it's either 1 or 3, and neither coordinate is 0. So it's 1 or 3. Can't be 2 because that's negative positive, and this is also negative positive. Can't be the x or y axis. There we go. ABCD is graphed in the coordinate plane. The following are vertices of the rectangle. What's the perimeter of the rectangle? So we have a delta of 2, and then we have a delta, another delta of 2. delta of 2, 2, 2. So that's 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2 is 4, 8. Yeah, so that's 2, that's 2, and that's 2, that's 2. So 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2. Does the x-coordinate or y-coordinate represent a greater number in the following rectangle? So y is equal to 2, and x is equal to 4. With our graph right here, x of 2 y has to be equal to 4. These are the same. And then this has to be equal. So x equals 2. Y is equal to 4. These share numbers. These have to share a number. Or y is equal to 3 rather. Oh, that's so annoying that the y coordinate x or coordinate y represent. So we know that the y coordinate is different from the x coordinate. I mean, the y coordinate is an x coordinate plane. This is 4, and this is 2. It's painful. ABCD is graphed in the coordinate plane. The following are the vertices of the rectangle: 2, 1, 5, 1, 5, 6, and 2, 6. Given these coordinates, what's the side length of AB on this rectangle? 3 units. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6, 6, 1, 6. So that has to be a 3, 5, negative 6, positive 6, 1, 6. Oh, perimeter. That makes more sense. So the top is 7, 7, 7. And so the side lengths have to be 16. That's 8. So this is 6, 1, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 6 plus 2, 8. So it's 16 plus 14 is equal to 30. Two, negative 6. 4. What's the difference between high and low on day 6? 9. Negative 8. 8. -3. Area 15. So that's 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the coordinates of D? -2, 5, I think. -2, 5. That seems reasonable. Where is point A? Point A is 2, 4, so that has a positive. The y coordinate says positive. What time is 7 a.m.? 7 Celsius. It's 2 hours, and I assume it starts at 12. The x-axis represents the number of hours before or after midnight. For example, -1 represents 11 p.m. Midnight, 1, 2. There we go. Does coordinate A or B represent a greater number in the following rectangle? So B represents 4. B equals 4. A represents 6. 0, 0, 6, 0, 6, 4. So A is larger. Yeah. Upper left corner is -1, +4. 3, 3, 4. 6, 4. Ooh, perimeter. So 4, 4, that's 8. That's 16. No. So we have one side that has 4, and you go 6 times. So 4 times 6 is 24. Seems right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus x is equal to 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. Yeah. So we have 16 divided by 8, that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Yay. 39. Unit 10 next.